Hola bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, naniyazi angihambi ngedwa. Ngihamba no
Shapa fethu kunjani cameraman team focus well Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one.
yeah. Bafethu, on today's episode, we are reflecting on the game that was played on a Tuesday, the 24th of February. Kaizer Chiefs playing at home against Steelers. It's a three-peat for Steelers, beating Kaizer Chiefs again, my brother. Where can we start? Let's start with the game itself. Um, what do you make of the defense? The defense. Ngifuna sikhulume kuqala ngawe ukuthi because amagoli angena from the defense. What do you make of your defense?
Hey. Guys, it's very disappointing that we lost that game.
Yeah.
So if we're gonna look at defense, I think actually the whole starting lineup for me was a shocker. At some point I felt it was exciting to eventually see some combinations, some players. But to going to the Stellenbosch and you do that for me was a no. We've tried a lot of combinations.
Where did they get it wrong? The starting lineup.
I feel like yes, I might have wanted to see Uchis like come back and play, right? I would have liked to see Ngoba like I've seen him, but I don't believe Uchi since day one or it's game number 16. They still don't have a solid season. Yes, they might have found Ulo, but they don't even know who to pair him with up until this day. So they just keep changing and chopping. So eventually they will lose it. Hence, they messed everything up. But you asked me about the defense. The defense now, I don't think it was bad, but you might say Tabantawa 4, but if you see with Tim Clampe, they are not giving you. Then you have a right to keep a bad. Like with Solomons. Solomons was not giving us anything. Why was he still on the game for that long?
Okay.
And even McCarthy, not one of his best game, I would say.
Okay.
But it's players that we say they give us something. So yesterday it could have happened, which was just not that day.
All right. Okay, the striking force. I don't want to dwell on too much on me.
You see again. That is why I'm saying, man.
Yeah.
It's shocking to see that starting lineup. Yes, we know we have a lot of players. Maybe they think there's no reason to rotate now. You only focus on PSL, right? From nowhere, from not even from the bench, you see to breathe. It's there. Yes, Da Silva has been scoring goals. He's been trying. It's okay. That's consistency of the coaches using him. But then now from nowhere you get to pray. It's coming from where?
Okay. Let me restructure this thing so that I will get the right answers that I want from you. First half Kaizer Chiefs being done. Because right now it's like the players that were fielded in were incorrect and they were not able to perform. So manje ngifuna ukuthi siyibeke in a way that it shows some positivity.
Yes, first half we look like a team that was solid and we were in control of the game.
Okay.
Right. We can't falter the chances that we got and didn't capitalize on them. It's part of football, right? But we were in control. Stellenbosch was nowhere to be seen. I don't think they even had a shot on target. That means we were solid. But obviously, we're going to first half, we were winning. And then coaches, what do they say to these players? What do we tell these players? How do we maintain this lead? Do we attack or we try to be different? What are we doing? It's like we didn't have, it was like, okay, we scored our goal, that's our winner. 1-0 FC. So it was like we won. But
1-0 FC.
What was the plan from because if you look Kevin Hunt, first thing he made is to make two changes. They score a goal in 3 minutes back in the game or something. That tells you what he studied them first half. And then he made crucial changes. And the second half, that is why they were in control. But with us, we go to the change, see our winner 1-0, and then what?
And then, they get an equalizer.
Yes.
Yeah. But our coach did make changes.
Okay.
With the second half.
It's cutting.
I'm not sure of the time.
Around 70.
Okay.
71. You keep a 4. Like you are saying, first half we were good. All right. With the same players like still have your my boy Chislett, you have Ungo. They were not bad. They were good as players, right? But almost keep a bong.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Yeah.
You know, okay, Chislett might have not been game fit, man.
Mhm.
First time playing. Why King Maki and Fagumuntu one? Also, I 10.
Yeah. The problem is I'm the interviewer. Now you're asking me
No,
the
no, it's a
question.
conversation.
I'm
No,
like, yeah, because I'm like, you,
because I'm
what,
pissed.
what, how
But
can I
no,
answer
wait,
now?
but it's a conversation. It's a conversation.
I understand what you
Yes,
mean. Yeah.
we watch the game now. This is a conversation that we have. So they're making this up. Okay, Bakora fast coming to the second
Yes.
half. And then as a coach, you don't see that you need to fix something. You wait until 70 minutes.
Mm.
What are you fixing in 70 minutes? Because Bona, they went to change. Then the first thing they did was to make two
But
subs.
Pelabona, they already were already cooled down, so
Agree.
you could
But now,
understand.
we are a
And they were
big
not
team here.
playing against. They were not playing a flat four.
Yes.
If you remember that guy, he's a Nigerian, number 16. He was in, so they were playing a back three, and then they had to substitute that guy in the first half. In fact, who played for Pirates, Uyosta, yes, and then it was a flat four. He could realize we second half, we first half ukuthi umdaka pace wise akamechi ulokhunjana ulilep. So that's why he brought in Utiwane in that position. Yes, just to firstly stabilize the team before trying to. I think it was luck for them to score that early.
Okay.
In the game.
Let's say it's luck. They score 8.
Yes.
But now, if you look at them, they were no longer vulnerable with the changes they've made.
Yes.
And then, lucky enough, now it's 1-1.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's on, and the game is starting from scratch. Us as Kaizer Chiefs, our coaches, what are they thinking? What changes do they want to make? They want to see? Because already you can see with these people have closed that gap where the level was going on. They put Umundo Solid there. But people you're standing on it. So what are you doing, Ben? You must have option behind it.
But I guess they did create some chances. Even in the second half, there were some chances that were created. Goalkeeper Ashashe, they had a very good game. They were still is.
Hey, this thing of always blaming our drivers, they get chances and not convert. I say,
You think so?
Those players are not coached.
You mean?
Those players are not coached.
Okay.
There's no coaching happening in those players. Chief is never dala they were doing good. Guma games are mine. Where are they? We don't know.
So you're crying out about coaching and their inconsistency.
I think you will agree. You will agree with me because I think even Makale Careful once spoke about them chopping and changing. They're still doing it. Where's Mabas?
I don't know.
Very promising player. Where's Velebai? Where's Batman? All these players gone.
But they are there. But in reality today, they cannot play at the same time.
I agree. But they are promising. So how do you feel confident? Because Banga Bikwana is a pension here. Confident with player. That is why we is coming from nowhere. I can't confident to core. You push out.
As always, not had the confidence.
Yeah, but imagine, Jongo can say this thing. Put your prim campaign. No, some ball pension for the next 5-6 games. We open the way that they are moving. We are pretty confident. We once spoke about him too. What all my chances are mining. But you still call and as a pension, you ain't getting a food. If it means the confidence is over, you're going to try. Maybe you're going to take a game. But Mela call for both wins again. No, Mela to rectify mistake.
Yeah.
So these players are very young Chiefs.
But the problem is, the problem that I have, I wouldn't say it's only the coaches. Yes, the coaches, we can identify the fact that they have problems.
Yes.
But you see, Umdu came in. There are some decision makings that you cannot really blame a coach on.
Yeah.
There was a chance that came from the right flank. Yafika kumdu. What did he do? Akashanga lapho. Uthenile. Khona le eshaya umaboya eceleni kwepala. Uthenile instead of attacking the pole, because we have more attacker and there was a player who was nearby or close by the ipala. When the journey, I think it was a break there, break, because the minute 10 nationally, the doors were closed. You know, that's decision making, and it has been happening. Maybe coaches now they need to come in now, promote order. The player himself, he shows ukuthi ushawa decision making. That I
No,
will,
no,
I
no,
will
no, no,
fault.
no, no, no. I agree. Not even just with you. A lot of
Yes.
players they were born with decision about that. Only Liverpool. Liverpool is making wrong decisions. Game in, week out.
Yeah.
Making wrong decisions. Just go to like a score a goal, then you feel that but when the decision are wrong, doesn't pass the ball. Even when the option of pass. Where's coaching happening? The players, how are they coached? Are these players not coachable?
Maybe.
Then there's no coaching happening. Especially if a player
Yeah.
is making wrong decision and you don't stop them. Like Udile is not getting stopped. He's playing the whole game. But it's giving us nothing. You blame the player or the coach.
But Mina, what I'm saying is, Chiefs did get the opportunity. That's like when
I agree.
but
it's
still
happening.
realizing
But wait,
a lot of them.
but it's,
even in the
but
second
it's
half.
but it's happening in each and every game where we get chances. They're not converted. Each and every game.
But the players, the coaches can't get into the ground.
I
and
agree.
convert those chances.
I agree. Which means these players are not coached.
Are not coached to score.
Oh God! Why was some teams have master striker coach?
Why
the master striker have a coach?
So whether you need a striker coach,
I'm not saying anything, but you know, it is what it is.
Oh come on, Beto.
Okay, who's telling the
these people are old people.
Who's telling the level that if you have the ball, there's a ball, just shoot? Is him thinking that if it's him, then the coach must say, Chief, stop it. If you have options, use your options. And if you're not doing it, punch the bread. How does this thing work? If a player is not giving you, if it's not following your instruction, I'm keeping it.
Yeah.
But if you're not follow your instruction, then you are mega hard.
Yeah.
That's why it shouldn't go too. Yes. Some players you can tell which I Lona wenza into efuna uyena wrong foot. Let's end up as my coach. Like I'm not blame coach to pray to that opportunity.
But don't you think Chiefs also need quality players?
Okay.
That also can be a point.
Okay, I agree.
What if that's Liverpool reaching the ceiling?
Okay. Then you know some coaches. I told him Dali ongekho mnandi bamvusa umbona shine. Yabo bambona shine because there's coaching happening. Yes, you might need quality, but you can't tell me you'll buy quality and give it to these two coaches. You can't.
You can.
You can't. Wait. You can't give these coaches.
There's Chislett.
Wait. These coaches won't give us anything. Now we should be getting a coach that will look at this squad so that we know which player to let go, which one to keep, which position we need to boost. But right now, if you have these two coaches, they give us nothing. Week in, week out, we are sorry, look to approach just to defend. I comrade. People are using their last money to go to the stadium to buy merchandise. All you can tell us is sorry. I never.
Okay, Buffett, let us know on the comments. What do you think of this Kaizer Chiefs team? They're still number 4, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
In the log, which means that they are doing well compared to last season, but there are still complaints going on. Buffett, let us know. What changes do you want to see at Kaizer Chiefs? Yeah, we'll see you on another one.